What up, YouTube? I just thought I'd make a video. I saw a comment on my last video of the last truck that I had. This is another truck. I want to see it when it's on. It's kind of dirty right now. Yeah, so I make a quick video. My friend replaced the fender and anything aftermarket and the hood as well. That's because what happened in July of last year, I crashed the truck in the freeway. I have the fender inside my room, the OEM. Now this cheap aftermarket is like hard to freaking have it spot on, but it works for now. Looking for a hood, kind of same color. What I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna go take it to the tire shop, go replace some tires I got on offer up, and then hopefully yeah, but there it is. It's kind of dirty right now, but it'll work for now, you know. But make sure you guys subscribe. I'll make more videos. I gotta go before they close the tire shop, and see you guys later. Bye.